Hey there, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about modifying your features. Right-click on Annotations, select Show Feature Dimensions. I've got two different types of fillets in the graphic area. One has radius 15 millimeters, one has radius 8 millimeters. Here's an M5 hole with a hole diameter of 5.5 millimeters. In the center of the plate is an extruded hole, diameter is 10 millimeters. Let's click OK and hide the feature dimensions. Right-click on Annotations, unselect Show Feature Dimensions. Let's launch the Tools menu, scroll down to Find Modify, and select Find Modify Features. So not only can we use this panel to find features, but we can also make changes right from here. We'll work with the Cut category. The feature will be a Cut Extrude. Let's edit the feature parameters. From any start condition, click OK. Click Find Now. SOLIDWORKS finds Cut Extrude 1. Let's click on Parameters to see some details about this Cut Extrude. Let's make the depth 2 millimeters instead of 10. Click OK. In order for the change to take place, you have to click Modify Selected or Modify All. The depth of our extruded hole has now changed. Let's try Features now under Category. Simple Fillets. Edit. We'll use a constant radius fillet type. Since I want to find all fillets, I'm going to use a radius value of greater than 0. Under the options, I'll keep any selected. Click OK. And Find Now. SOLIDWORKS finds fillets 1 and 2. Let's Control-select both fillets and then click Parameters. For the radius value, I'll enter 20, tab to register, and click OK. Once again, to make those changes take effect, you need to click Modify Selected. Lastly, I'm going to modify my M5 hole. Under Category, let's select Features, and then under Features, we'll select Hole Wizard. Click Edit. Go to the Countersink tab. Under End Condition and Depth, we'll select All. Hole diameter greater than 0, click OK. Click Find Now. And here's my M5 hole. Let's click on Parameters. There's the hole diameter of 5.5 millimeters. I'm going to change it to 5.3 millimeters. Hit the Tab key to register and click OK. Click Modify Selected to have those changes take effect, and we're ready to exit the Find Modify Features tool. Click the red X at the top of the pane. So let's edit Sketch 2 of Fillet 2. Right-click, Edit Sketch. As you can see, here's the new hole diameter. We just modified it to 5.3 millimeters. Let's exit the sketch, discard changes, and exit. Now let's right-click on our hole, Edit Feature. Under Custom Sizing, our hole diameter displays at 5.3 millimeters, so our change did indeed take effect. Let's cancel out of the Hole Specification Property Manager. This concludes our video about modifying your features from the Find and Modify Features panel.